Toyota Tundra is a pickup truck manufactured in the US by the Japanese manufacturer Toyota since May 1999. The Tundra was the first North American full-size pickup to be built by a Japanese manufacturer. The Tundra comes in 6 different trim levels: the SR, SR5, Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro, and the most expensive model, the 1794 edition. All Tundras have the ability to tow over 10,000 pounds. This is possible thanks to the 5.7-liter V8 engine under the hood, along with staggered mounted shocks for better torsional stability and a heavy-duty frame. The Tundra is built ready to work, so with the V8 engine, the Tundra manages to put out 381 horsepower. And if you're curious about speed, the Tundra can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6.4 seconds, which is very impressive compared to many cars half its size. So just like always, we're going to do a full review of the 2016 Toyota Tundra. We'll take a detailed look at the exterior, interior, we'll start up the engine, and let you listen to the exhaust note. And we'll also go into details and specs of the engine, wheels, trunks, and light. So here's the key to the truck. The model we have here today does not come with the smart keyless access entry, so we'll have to open the truck using this key manually. As you can see, color looks very nice. Here's a quick view of the interior. Very spacious. Quick view of the back seat. To start the engine, insert the key and twist. Now to open the hood to check out the engine. Just pull this lever out. Now there's going to be another lever located in the center. Just lift this one up and raise it up. Under the hood, this specific 2016 Toyota Tundra has its 5.7-liter aluminum I-Force V8 engine. It is in 6-speed automatic transmission with sequential shift mode. The V8 engine is able to push out 381 horsepower at 5,600 RPM and 401 pound-foot of torque at 3,600 RPM. The Tundra can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.4 seconds. Keep in mind this is a rear-wheel drive vehicle. As for fuel economy, the 2016 Tundra gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, 18 miles per gallon on the highway, and when combined it gets 15 miles per gallon. The Tundra gas tank can hold up to 26.4 gallons of gas. And lastly, to enhance stabilization, both the front and rear suspension has mounted stabilizer bores. Up front, there's the variable intermittent windshield wiper with the de-icer function. Moving down, the first thing you may have noticed instantly is the unique and bold front grille with the Toyota logo right in the middle. To help with visibility, there's the multi-reflector halogen headlight, LED daytime running lights, and the front fog lights located on the lower bumper. Here's a closer look at the lower bumper. Moving over to the side, we have the body color side view mirror with power adjustable feature, manual folding. Also looks very nice with a matte finish. Here's a quick view of the underside. I-Force 5.7-liter V8 badge. Tundra badge. With the optional black AT package, this specific model comes with 20-inch black alloyed wheels with black milled accents and all-terrain tire upgrade. Behind the wheels, we have the power-assisted ventilated front disc brakes and rear drum brakes with tandem booster and store safety system. There's the side step. All four wheels are equipped with a tire pressure monitor system. Here's a closer look at the side step here. To the back, there's a third brake light located on top. Moving down, we have the standard chrome rear bumper with chrome end caps along with the matted black center rear bumper. The rear is equipped with a rear view camera that automatically turns on when the car is put into reverse. This is a great safety feature to assist driver in backing out and parking. Here's a closer look at the tail lamp with the brake light. Trailer pin connector. For the trailer light, it is a 7-pin connector. And here's a closer look at the lower bumper with the exhaust pipe there. As for the gas tank, just make sure the car is unlocked. To open, simply pull out. Close, simply push back. Here's a closer look at the tire there. As you can see, suspension is very high. The Tundra maximum load is 10,500 pounds. And this bed is a 5.5 foot short bed. Let's go ahead and open it and show you what it looks like inside. As you can see, there plenty of space. Again, the length is 5'5". Here's a view of the top. And here's a closer look at the exhaust pipe, and as you can see, we have the spare tire under the truck there. And we're back on the inside. Here we have the multi-spoke leather wrap steering wheel. Over here we have the different audio modes control along with the volume control. Toyota logo in the middle with the horn. To the right we have the voice command, Bluetooth phone answering option, and the display button here is used to control everything that's going to be displayed here. And here's your odometer reset switch. Windshield wiper control. Cruise control. Over here we have the headlights control with the left-right turn signal along with the high beam. And way below here we have a lever. If you move this down, this will allow you to adjust the steering wheel placement. To lock it back in place, simply push this lever back up. Single driver air vent on this side. Side view mirror control here. Lighting control. And below that we have the bed lighting control. And here's the rear windshield. Press once to lower and lift it out to raised. Driver sun visor. Got light on both sides there. You can also move this over to the side. You also have a small credit card holder clip on top here. Moving to the middle, we have two additional air vent with the on top. As you notice here, we have the anti-slip mat. You can put your phone or anything up there. And in between, we have the touchscreen display with navigation, audio, and Bluetooth. Volume control over here. Press down to turn audio on or off. That's where you insert your CD. Here's the navigation view, radio view. Here's the home menu. Over to the right here, we have a small slot to insert the SD card for the map. Here's your hazard light control, climate control, and below here we have a single cup holder with a 12-volt car charger outlet, actually with two of them, and we have your USB with the auxiliary input. Two more cup holder here and a slot next to it. Additional storage space there. And for the gearbox, push your foot down the brake, move it to R to put the car into reverse. When you do so, rear view camera automatically display on the screen here. Very nice safety feature. All the way down to D for drive, push it over to the left to put it into manual mode. After that, you can simply push up and down to change gears. Now the middle armrest compartment is very large, as you can see. Plenty of storage space in here. We have another 12-volt car charger outlet in here. And plenty of storage on top here. You can put pen, napkins, credit cards, anything you need. Glove box compartment, also very large. And here's to show you complete view of the dash. Moving on up, we have the rear view mirror. Also display the direction you're heading to. Moving on up, we have a spot for you to put your glasses. Light control. And in the middle, we have a slot for you to put the paper or credit cards, again, anything you need to put there. Handbar on the front passenger side there, but there's none on the driver's side. Now here, right behind the steering wheel, we have the traction control, the tow hauling control, and with all the trailer brake output control. As for the driver's side door, let's see what we have. 4 power window control, only the front is automatic. Door lock and unlock button there. Huge side door storage compartment. There's your speaker. Brake and gas pedal along with the parking brake here. Power front seat control, contains the basic. And here's a closer look at the front seat. Seat belt is also adjustable. SR badge here on the rear door. Very spacious back seat. Back here we also have the power window control, side storage compartment, now again I am 5'7", so this gives you a better idea of how much leg space you'll have. It is very spacious back here. You'll not have any trouble with leg space at all. Here's a complete view of the front from sitting in the back. Two additional air vents with an 12-volt car charge outlet here. So far we have 4 outlet. Back seat storage compartment there. Not sure how these leaves got in here, but let's try to clean it for them. Two additional rear cup holders. Here's a closer look at the back seat. Handbar on top with a spot for you to hang stuff there. And light control right above our head. Handbar on this side also. And that the rear seat can be folded up. It is a 40-60 split. Just pull this out. And as you can see there's plenty of space for you to store things. Very nice.